I'm lazy to make it. All these suckers stay hating, cause it's been a long time. I'm trying to get mine. I'm lazy to make it. All these suckers stay hating, cause it's been a long time. I'm trying to get mine.
I was born in '89, got the hustle in my mind. On the verge to be the baddest of the ladder I will climb. I was told the world is mine, heard it from Al Pacino. Spit lyrics from the mind, then I flip them like a kilo. Hold on, wait a minute, man, I feel them haters giving dirty looks. Mad cause I be the one that got them other rappers shook. I make them cook like a turkey in the oven, and I'm knocking suckers out when they pushing, then they shoving.
I'm never stopping till I'm a motherfucking hip-hop god. You niggas get slammed like hogs, I'm a red down hog. Born in the woods, nigga, so you know I'm a beast. New shark in the water and I'm looking for a feast. It's a new year, a new day, a new month, a new week. Feeling real legendary off this baby boss beat. This game needs a new face to look up to, and I'ma slaughter any nigga that wanna step up to.
I'm just gonna make it. All these suckers stay hating, cause it's been a long time. I'm trying to get mine. I'm just gonna make it. All these suckers stay hating, cause it's been a long time. I'm trying to get mine.
It's been a long ass road, it's been a long time coming. I've been searching the blocks trying to get this money, and I don't do it for the loot, I do it because I love it. These niggas doubted the flow, so I flipped it like a shove it. A young turf hitter coming up from ground zero, trying to have more money than 7 Robert De Niro. So I'ma check this mic, you newbies check the stilo, cause I'm looking sharper than a heroin addict's needle.
I'm like a bullet racing towards your dome, can't stop, I won't stop. Like I said before, it's my time, better hide your clock. Signs make your body rock, Henny make the ladies flock, and I always bring the heat like I got the shot and got it.
I got the game unlocked.
Haters cannot tell me nothing, in the words of Rick Ross. Every day we hustle, making something out of nothing. Water in the wine, dropping hits like it's nothing, man, we do it all the time.
I'm just gonna make it. All these suckers stay hating, cause it's been a long time. I'm trying to get mine. I'm just gonna make it. All these suckers stay hating, cause it's been a long time. I'm trying to get mine.
What you gotta say about me now? Switching up the style, flows deeper than the Nile. Got you niggas in denial. Was crazy as a juvenile, got my brain polluted now. Filled up with rhymes, now I heard you like a root canal. I got a ruthless style, thick, real gorilla. Not the monkey, but the military savage like a tiller. Better yet, gang is calm, about to blow up like a bomb. Spinning fire on the bike, about to set off the alarm.
I won't stop till I have haters all around the world, cause I'ma be the Mac up in the club touching your girl. Take a puff and watch a smoke swirl, my record's on the radio, blasting everyone away, hitmakers from the Vadio. Humble yet so vicious, got a big relentless style. Eat up any other rapper trying to get up back and wild. See your boy destined to shine, I got spitters for days, so you wanna step aside, cause legends